But though he said, let wiser heads decide, it's to the eternal credit of our institution that his career was not put on the back burner, but he was brought here to become the Chief Justice of India. You had the great Justice A.P. Sen, a little negative in criminal jurisprudence, and I was arguing a very interesting murder appeal before him as a young lawyer. So Justice A.P. Sen would always focus on the injuries more than the evidence. So he said to me, but there is nothing in your case. He said, don't you realize that the intestines came out? So I was so young and perhaps a little impetuous. So I said, my lords, it is because the intestines came out that I am here before your lordships to argue this appeal. Justice P.D. Desai, who became the Chief Justice of the Bombay High Court, a distinguished Chief Justice. Justice P.D. Desai would hold what we call the Desai Darbar every morning in the court, which was really the process by which he tried to mediate in matters involving small people, a young laborer, a widow who is asking for family pension. And his court would be full of litigants in the morning. And he would be spending a few minutes on every case trying to tell the employer or the government to settle that case. So we as young lawyers would just sit in the court and watch him in operation. And we possibly learnt a great deal about the great injustice which pervades our society and what is the plight of common citizens when they come face to face with power and authority of the state. Those were the judges who taught us our intuitive sense of justice and how they dealt with the problems of injustice which came their way.